So hello everyone. So in this video we will be looking at the problem Polycarp and letters. So the problem given to us is that Polycarp is a person who loves lowercase letters and dislikes the uppercase letters. So once he got a string S consisting of only of lowercase and uppercase both. So we have to choose. So what is given is that let A be a set of positions in the string, and let's call it pretty if the following conditions are met. That is, the letters on positions from 8 in the string are distinct and lowercase. And secondly, there should not be any uppercase letter in between the strings. So let me explain you. This might be a little confusing, but let me explain you. So basically, what the question says is that we need to pick a subsequence of letters. For example, such that all the letters are distinct. And second thing is that the among the positions we have selected, there should not be any capital letters in between. For example, here, if this is the string given to us, A, B, capital D, C, capital X, and Y. So one possibility is that I can choose, as you said, as I said, is that we can choose A, B, C, and Y because these are distinct and also these are something which is lowercase letters. But the problem is that the problem is that we have D and X in between. If you see between 3 and 5 positions, which is C and Y, there is a X. So we cannot choose this. And also between B and C, there is a D. So it is invalid, and we should not we don't have to choose such a subsequence. While in the second case, if someone asks me to find a set of positions which are wherein the letters are lowercase and distinct, so I can choose one set as A, B, and C, that is position 0, 1, and 2, and the second set is Y and Z, that is the index 4 and 5. Now, why this is valid? Because there is no between A, B, and C, there is no capital letters, and secondly, these are distinct letters. I mean, A is not repeating more than once, and set 2 also the letters are distinct and lowercase. So coming to the example, now we have to basically print the maximum number of elements of such a subsequence. So it's not necessary that we have to choose a substring, but we have to choose a subsequence such that between any position there is no capital letters. So let's look at some examples. For example, A. Here, as you can see, we have to pick lowercase letters and distinct ones. So only possibility is we have to choose any one of them. That is A. We cannot choose the second A because then the string won't be the subsequence won't be distinct. So answer will be one. That is the maximum size of subsequence that validates the condition is one. In second case, we can choose A, B, and C, and since there is no they are distinct, and secondly there is no capital letters in that, so answer will be three. Sorry, beg your pardon, it will be three. In the second example, let me see. So here, what we can do, we have to pick. So this can be a possibility wherein A and B, and second can be only A. We cannot be both A because it won't be distinct then. So, so the answer will be two. That is A and B is that is the set of size. The subsequence of size two is the maximum subsequence that we can pick, which validates the condition. So how should we approach this problem? So let me explain you. So basically, what we will do is we will simply use a set for this. So the let me explain you the code logic. So what I will do is I will declare a hash set and then I will iterate through the entire string. Okay. So one possibility is that I will get a uppercase character. That is a capital character. That is if you can see over here, A is a capital character. One possibility is that I will get a capital character, and second possibility is basically that I will get a lowercase character. So coming to the code, now if I get a uppercase character, what I will do, I will basically have the answer will be max element. As you can see, I will print max at the end. It is the maximum size of the subsequence which validates the condition. So if the character is uppercase, so we have to reset the set because we cannot have any subsequence which has a capital letter in between. So at there, I will what I will do is I will take the max uh, and I will store the current max in the max element. So basically, what I will do is I will store the maximum of the current set and the max element, and I will reset the current set to 0, and I will continue. If and else in second part, if the character is a smaller element, that is a lowercase element. So if the current set does not contain the element, that is, if it is, if previously the set would contain A, so now if we encounter a B, then I will store that element in the set, and I will increase, and just I will store the element in the set, and if the same element is repeating again, for example AA, so I will just ignore it. So basically, this is the main code, and at the end, I will print out the max. So let's see in this example, like I equal to 0, I got a capital A. So I ignore reset and I reset the set to 0. It was initially 0, but I will again reset it. I equal to 1, we got a smaller case A letter. Now, since the set does not contain A, so I will store the A in it. Now I equal to 2, we have a B. So add B to the set because B is not in the set previously. The set size becomes 2. Now I equal to 3, X. Now I encounter a capital letter. So I cannot go along with the same set because I have to reset it. So I will reset the set. But before resetting, I will store the maximum of current max that was 0 to set initially, and the set size. Set size is 2 here. So I will store 2 in the max element, and I will reset the set to 0. Then I equal to 4, I got a A, then I will store the A in the set. Then again I got a A. Now since A is already in the set, so I will ignore it. Then I equal to 6, I got a Z. So I will store the maximum of current max. I mean the current size of the set. The current size is 1, but previously there was 2 in the max variable. So the max will be 2 itself, and then we will reset the set. So this is the code, very simple one. We just need to iterate in O of n, we will get the solution of this. Now let's submit. So I have pasted the code over here, and now I think it should work. So there's a compilation error. Okay, let me see. So it's in line number 25. Okay, there's a 2 by mistake I have put it. Now I will just correct it. So I'm correcting it now. So let's see. Yeah, this was the error. So now I will submit it, and it is getting accepted. So this was the solution of the problem. It was quite simple one, and I hope you liked it. And thank you for being there with the with me in this video. And if you like the video, then do like and subscribe. Thank you very much.